Hi friends, it's me again, Alexia. Today I'm going to execute a unboxing video and make a review on a specific gadget equipment which is Ulanzi MT-34 tripod stand. This is the reliable tools for the mobile content creators since I'm a broke, you all know, right? As a lot of content creator and YouTuber, when they start their journey, they're able to invest their equipments, their tool from phones to a camera, as is quite hilarious, right? I'm going to make it since my old tripod stand already damaged and the lightning also fly away. I means like I lost it. Without further ado, I'm going to start with take a look of the semblance of this tripod stand. First and foremost, this is the Ulanzi MT-34 tripod stand. Is very good because since the retailer that feature in the online shops which I purchased it in the Shopee, and he is quite generous. He made it the bubble wrap to around it. The reason the retailer did this action is he want to prevent any physical damage during the transportation or any physical collections. Now what we want to do is we will directly to start cut out all the bubble wrap and see what is going to pack inside. It comes with the 2 layers of bubble wrap. I need to appreciate for the retailer. He is so friendly. Because whenever I ask the questions whether it is functionable and this Ulanzi MT-34 tripod stand able to multi-function such as vlogging, and you will need to create some of the video that is outdoor, or you want to just directly put in your rooms to make some of the education videos, he said yes, he's able to did whatever I'm asking to him. You all can see Ulanzi MT-34. Let's open the box. The box is a bit messy since maybe physical damage during the transportation. Alright, our main character is this Ulanzi MT-34. What is my first thought is when I hold it, it feels like very comfortable and sturdy. Perhaps I just like briefly to describe it, you all can't like feel it. I will make you all how to maneuvering this tripod stand. First and foremost is assemble with a phone holder. This means that you no need to buy external phone holder that waste your money. This is the lock. Lock means whenever you want to make your tripod stand to extend, you need to anti-clockwise, then you're able to bring it higher and higher. Wow, seems like it's can to hit somebody.
Oh my god!
I'm just kidding. Don't be serious. Wow, so handy. I highly recommend you all buy this because it's just a small inside and compact. You can convenience to bring it in your purse or your bag. Even you want to vlogging at outdoor, or you have a content creators that you are liking to make some of the street foods review, you just bring it. This tripod stand come with 3 legs. This leg is attached with the rubber, which means it's not easily to slide over when you put on the table or any uneven surface. My last tripod stand is such a trash, you know. I press, if you like shaking, making my video not like high quality, the wind's external factor or the environment that leading into so many issues. Therefore, I just enhance my tripod stand. You clockwise is already locked. You just directly to open. Here is a tripod stand. Good. It's very robust, even though the winds blow it out or you need to test something also can. Good. Second, we need to talk what is the material it's made. It is the super lightweight and durable, and I think it's a standard steel. It's not even corrosions easily if you like hard use. When it's contact with the water, I think it's not a big problem. Moreover, it's come with a 360-degree rotatable head. You just unscrew it, you can just directly to whatever directions you need to did it. I need to perform to you all, then I just directly to put in the upright positions and you lock it firmly. Now here is a second screw. I don't know whether you all can see or not. This screw is actually for those if you are the persons or the people that is quite high expenditure, then you can buy your GoPro camera, anything it can fit. But here have a cons is you can't fix your iPad, or I don't know, you all maybe put your computer. Just a fun things to tell you all. And then now I need to open up. Oh shit, how to open it then? I mean, directly. Oh, it's come with the lock here. Whenever you do want to use, you directly lock. You want to use, then you extend and then swing out. You directly to open up for you. This is the small cap. You want to put the camera or your GoPro. You can whatever you want to put. That is like that. And this is the semblance of the Ulanzi MT-34. Is quite high-end compared my old tripod stand. I feel like contented. Thanks for the retailer. Nice. Right. Here I have a disclaimer. I'm not advertised for the retailer. Just based on my personal opinions to did a product reviews. Okay, this is the screw for the YouTuber that use the phones to record video like me. You nonetheless to use this screw. This screw is just for the content creator that use camera or anything GoPro, right? In addition, I want to show you. I will interchange my phones from this old tripod stand to the new tripod stand. Let's do it. Alright guys, now I already switched to this Ulanzi MT-34 tripod stand. It feels like very master, and this seems like very professional when I use this Ulanzi MT-34 tripod stand. If you all want to purchase this tripod stand, I will put the link in my description box. Kindly check it out. In addition, I want to add on that if you all purchase this MT-34 Ulanzi tripod stand in any special events such as 5.5 events in our Malaysia, if you did a lot of big discount, then you can bargain with your retailer or the shopper. One thing I forgot to mention is what are the unique thing I need to make an appearance different is when you use Ulanzi tripod stand compare with your solid bare hand, take a photo which is more shaky and unstabilized. This Ulanzi MT-34 tripod stand can make you more stable and stay your phones in a place. Why not? You just purchase it, right? But don't force yourself if you are an economy person. I just recommend you all, if you want to enhance a bit but you want to save your money, then Ulanzi MT-34 tripod stand is the best choice for you. We see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and give my like on this video if you think my video that help you a lot and clarify something that other content creators that never clarify to you all. Please stay alert for my upcoming video. We see you in the next video.